In this video, we will be solving the following exercise about quadratic equations. The exercise says, draw the graph of y equal x squared minus 5x plus 6 in the range of x is greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 5, and use it to solve the equation 0 is equal to x squared minus 5x plus 6. Now, as usual, we're going to start with this table. On the first row, we have our ranges 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, due to the respective values, x squared may be 0, 1, 4, 9, 16, and 25. As for minus 5x, it might be minus 5, minus 10, minus 15, minus 20, and minus 25. Now, 6 is going to stay constant and it's not dependent on any variable. And as for y, it's going to be the sum. So, 6, 1 minus 5 plus 6 is 2. 4 minus 10 plus 6 is 0. 9 minus 15 plus 6 is also 0. 16 minus 20 plus 6 is 2. 25 minus 25 plus 6 is 6. So, after we have the values of x and y, let's plot out the points. The first point is 0 and 6, 1 and 2, 2 and 0, 3 and 0, 4 and 2, and finally 5 and 6. Now that we have found the 5, 6 points, let's plot them in the next tutorial.